need a 20-ounce soda bottle. Doesn't matter what color. This happens to be green. But what you're going to want to do is get a parent to help you. And you're going to want to leave the cap on, because if you take the cap off, it's almost impossible to puncture the side. So carefully puncture the side and have one of your parents cut down the edge of the bottle and cut around. So what you're left with is a piece that looks like this. Place that approximately a little ways above half, probably 2/3 of the way up the canvas and in the center, and then we're gonna start our project. We're gonna put the order in camera's view, and we're ready to get underway on this project. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 paints, plus we'll have to have a middle color paint. We'll decide on that in just a second. But for right now, we are going to begin the paint pouring process. So we take the paints, we pour them right on the middle dot, and we watch them seep over the edge. It takes a little bit of paint. Probably feels a little bit wasteful, but once you see how it comes out, it really does look quite nice. So it's not wasteful at all because of what it produces. Lynn's asked me if I've ever done this before. I've never done this before, but I saw it done and I want to try. What do you guys think? You want to try?
Yeah.
All right, so who is going to pour bottle number 1?
Me.
Landon, is that okay with you, Maddie?
Yeah.
Landon is going to pour.
Bottle number 1.
And he's going to have to pour quite a bit of it, but he's going to pour it right on that dot.
It's coming. Oh my god.
We'll move
That's
it
so
and
much paint.
let it seep down. We might need to use more than that.
That side is
Believe it or not, that we're gonna need to use more than that, okay, for the first go around.
It does seem a little wasteful, but it's
here we go.
It works out. It kind of actually looks like nice. I know they have to like touch though too, so it actually looks like a flower.
Yep. So we are cruising right along. Things are shaping up.
They're almost touching.
It looks like the flower is coming right along. Just continue to add to where you need to add.
It's not even a quarter of a centimeter. Just so close.
And you'll see that we are now, we didn't use, it seems like we used more than we did. We actually didn't even use half that bottle, and this is a 2-ounce bottle. We probably used about 1 ounce on that. Seems like more, but the next color is ready. Madeline, we're going to have you pour that next one. And we're just gonna see what happens. Sometimes it's a little difficult to squeeze these bottles. So there we go. Now it's coming. And we will move the camera. We will move out of the way of the camera in just a second. Okay, Maddie, let's move. Just see what's happening. So it's not really enough yet to kind of spill over the edges. So we need to give more. We need to go at it more.
You can probably still see it.
Yeah, that's right. Double thumbs on that. Right over the top of the middle there. Good job, Maddie. Here we go.
Come on.
Come on.
Come on.
So let me get it neck.
Like a wire window.
Now
Oh my gosh.
We finally have
Flooding. It's like flooding out.
enough to seep over the edges, and we're kind of looking at something cool happening
Oh my
here.
gosh, look at the teal.
If you look at the process,
so
it's very cool.
Oh my gosh. Very cool. Because look at
Here
it.
we go. We are now seeping.
Really like all that drippy. Most of all the teal, like what are we touching?
I think
Yeah, me too.
so. I think we'll retire the purple for now.
Retire the purple.
Retired. Now,
Retired, never
moving on to our
be
next
used
color.
again.
We have the lake blue coming next.
Dad's gonna pour it.
You want me to pour it?
Yeah.
But it's your turn, and I didn't schedule for myself to pour any of them. So what I'll do is I'll help.
And shake them.
If you need help, I'll help, okay? Remember, squeeze a lot. Squeeze 2 hands, you're gonna need it. Right in the middle there. Just lay it on thick, Landon, and then we'll just get out of the way and watch the magic
Okay, you
happen.
can probably show them now.
So we'll watch the magic happen. That's a cool, really, really cool blue coming down now
The star is melting.
into the mix.
Oh my god, it actually kind of looks like a big giant star.
It
Like
does,
both of
it
them.
does. It's a really cool looking project that we've got going on here.
It's like a really cool star. It's like a star that's
So-
bending its like
Imagine being trapped like under that green.
That would be cool to be in that dome.
Oh my gosh, it would be.
Oh yeah, I was trying to like browse through it.
So it really, really, really is kind of a neat process. I wish I had another camera to show you this angle.
Yeah.
Why don't you run up and grab my camera from Mom real quick?
Okay. Maybe we can show you.
We're just gonna try to get a side shot with another camera. Maddie's gonna run and see if she can get one from Mom. And we're gonna pour a little more blue on there and just see what happens. This is starting to get really cool.
We want you to see how we're seeing it. Because you're probably not gonna be able to see. Well, maybe at the end.
Yeah, well, we want to show like with the paint coming down because it's really cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're just about through an ounce of this. You can see that the purple didn't pour as smoothly as
the teal and the white.
blue, but it still looks super cool.
Yeah.
No matter which way you shake it out, it looks super cool. Let's add a little bit more.
Let's go. Like that. Imagine falling out of the bottom. It would be like a slip and slide. It's kind of actually a slip and slide.
Very cool. We now have another camera that we're just taking a shot with here, just to show what it looks like from this angle. I'm gonna keep this camera rolling while Maddie pours some pink on.
Okay.
And I'll put on the last color.
Open it up, and we'll see what it does. Maddie's gonna lay it on thick here. All right, like watch that cascade down. It's super, super cool. And now it's going to.
Whoa, that's so actually cool.
It's gonna start pushing that lake blue out.
And like destroy the purple.
It's just gonna keep.
The lake blue's almost destroyed the purple.
What a cool looking shot, huh, buddy?
Yeah.
Is that cool or what?
It really smells like when we were painting.
Is that cool, buddy? You like that?
Little boy, you can't talk here.
Okay, we just have a little bit more to go on this pink.
Did he steal that
Pinkish
brush?
red.
Did he steal that brush?
Oates, can we have that brush back, buddy? We need that brush. All right, he's stolen our brush. We are on to our last color. Our last color, which is going to be a kind of a,
Greenish.
it's greenish, but it's got a metallic finish to it. So Landon is going to, oh, hold on, I didn't shake it down yet. Landon is going to hammer some green into the middle of this thing.
And then we'll pick the last color.
Okay,
Yeah,
buddy,
for like
thank you.
the-
Here, let's put it on.
This might not be the best flower because this kind of looks like a circle.
That's okay.
And this is going to
we're
take
gonna
forever to dry.
We're just gonna let it seep down and see what happens. So far, it looks like we have a little bit more paint on that side than this side. So we're gonna try to even that out by putting a little extra paint on this side, just watching
Daddy,
what happens.
No.
Are we
It's
doing
awesome, huh, buddy? What do you think? All right, so
I think we're gonna put the last final touch, or the last color.
what do you guys think? Are we ready for the middle color? What color are we gonna use for the middle? Because we have to have it ready.
Yellow.
Let's do a yellow.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull this out and be ready to pour, because the paint's gonna want to seep in a bit. So ready, set, little suction there. There we go, and pour.
This will
Nice.
take a very long time.
Beautiful yellow center to our flower.
I love
So it
it.
came out
so good.
pretty cool.
Oh my god, it came out so good.
And this is our first flower doing
It's
it
the
like
first
that.
time we've tried it.
Oh my god.
I'm sure we can get better at it,
Yeah,
but
we could be.
what we have here is pretty good.
Yeah.
Pretty good. Pretty happy with it.
Now it's mixed.
We're gonna do a stem on this real quick, and I'm gonna try not to touch that paint, because if I do, I'm gonna break the tension of it, and I don't want to do that because then the paint will start coming towards me. So I'm just gonna get as close as I can without touching it.
That seems good.
You guys are going to do like a little
Stems.
stem off of here, or I mean a little leaf off the stem, and a little leaf off the stem. Okay? You're gonna want to use a darker green for that, so you're gonna want to use this green right here. Perfect. That's big enough. That's big enough.
It's the biggest piece of it.
That's big enough. That's big enough. That's big enough.
It's the biggest
Now,
piece
now
of it.
to compete with his, Maddie, we're gonna make yours just a little bit bigger.
Okay.
Just try to make it similar to his. Just kind of come out.
It kind of just comes out like a long
Yeah, like that.
way.
And then just
like it's like
close
really
in the
fat.
circle.
It's
There
like
you go.
fat.
Just gonna add a little shading on this side.
Oh, can we do the white? Are we
And then
gonna
I'm
do
gonna,
the white?
yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit of white. Just wanna dunk that in there.
That looks like
If we just
the-
go super light with the white, and just add a little bit of an accent down the middle here, and a little bit of an accent on
On the
each
leaves.
of the leaves.
the big fat leaves.
There you have it.
A
All done.
flower
So
that might take a month to dry.
when this does finally dry, we'll give our final
It will,
reveal.
it will probably dry like it probably might make it down a little bit.
All right, so we're done for now, and we will see you soon when this dries.
We will see you with the reveal.
All right, guys, it's been a couple days, and we are ready to reveal our poured flour. We did a paint pour flour, and we're ready to reveal it. So you guys
Yeah.
want to count it down? 3,
Yeah.
2, 1.
No!
Bam, there it is. It's our paint pour flour. Came out pretty cool. It's the first time we've ever done it.
Yeah, and this took about 2 to 3 days to dry,
up,
so
yeah.
that might be the same for you.
Yeah, we noticed that it got flatter over those 2 to 3 days, which makes sense because it's drying out. You can still, when you feel it, you can still see bumps. You can still feel bumps and grooves. And we had a super good time with it. Yeah, what else do you guys want to say about it? We're going to try some other ones, and we're going to try to get better at it. But this was an awesome time for our first experience, so you should have that first experience too. And give it a try. All right. So we are now going to close it out by going for the dad joke of the day, right? Today's dad joke is, what's the only tree that can fit in your palm?
Tree palm?
Palm tree.
I was so close!
You were so close, honey.
I hate
Good job. You...
skateboarding on the Sweet shot.
All right, so this video was a tremendous amount of fun, and we're gonna leave you by saying, if you liked that video, hit the subscribe button and smash the
Like button!
and the
Bell!
Yeah, hit
So you get notified
Whenever we post a new video.
That's right. You want to, if you like the videos, don't miss out. Hit that bell. So until next time. Oh, and by the way, check out www.craftkedstv.com. See you later.
Bye. And bye.
Okay, so now we're cutting off our bottom of our bottle because the paint has dried onto the paper towel. And so we're needing to cut it off now. So
You guys ready?
now we're going to rip it off our
right here.
paper towel.
All right, you can see there's still some little paper towel in there that I got to trim off, but it's a pretty cool piece. I don't know
Yeah.
what we use it for, but we could use it for something. It's pretty cool.
Maybe we could use it as a decoration.
We could use it as a decoration. So
And you can too.